Users want the smartphone battery to stay charged for a long time and get fully charged quickly. Smartphone manufacturers are also taking various initiatives keeping this in mind. However, if you pay attention to some things while charging, the battery stays good for a long time. Let's take a look at them. Use the charger that came with the smartphone or the charger supported by the phone manufacturer. It is also useful for fast charging. The charger that comes with the phone makes the battery last. Third-party chargers or fake chargers cannot be used. Fast charging heats up the battery more than normal charging, so don't use chargers that charge fast if the phone doesn't support it. You can turn on power saving and airplane mode for fast charging. It is better not to charge the battery by depleting it completely. When the charge is completely finished, a chemical imbalance is created inside the battery, which is very bad for the battery. Do not charge all night. Overcharging generates heat inside the battery, which changes the electrochemical composition. In some cases, the internal gas escapes and the battery swells. Some apps stay running on the phone all the time. They draw charge from the battery to process and run, so the apps should be closed if not in use. Just as it is not right to overcharge by depleting the full charge, it is also not right to fully charge it. For the good of the battery, it should be kept partially empty. That is, the battery should be removed from charging only when it is 80–85% charged. You can't play games and run heavy apps on a charged smartphone. Games and apps drain battery power, which heats up the phone. Again, heat is generated due to charging. These two heats together can destroy the battery. Do not place the phone under sunlight, near heaters or ovens. When the phone heats up, the charge drains quickly. Similarly, it cannot be kept cold for a long time. This solidifies or freezes the internal electrolytic compound. Screen brightness consumes a lot of battery power, so the required level of brightness should be fixed in case of smartphone use. In addition, dark mode can be used to reduce battery power consumption. The apps use the smartphone's location feature. Not all apps are needed for the whole day, especially at bedtime. Similarly, wireless facilities like Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth are not required 24 hours a day, so the facilities should be closed if not required. It will save battery power.